Hello, my cupcakes. In this video, I will show you how you can do facial at home in just two important steps. Because sometimes you are in hurry and don't have time for that long steps of facial. So here I am with the solution to your problems. But before jumping into the video, I'll be really glad if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel. So today we'll do our facial with pomegranate. Although it's kind of a task more than a fruit, though you'll be amazed by good things it does to your skin. So without any further ado, let's start with the video. So you'll need pomegranate seeds. We are not throwing its peels, we are also using that, and some sun-dried peels if you want to store the scrub for longer times. So in the next step, we will blend all this separately in a mixer. So after blending, you will get pomegranate juice. I've blended the peels quite roughly because of course you want to use it as a scrub. I've also blended the sun-dried peels. You can store it in a jar. I usually use it as a weekly scrub by mixing it with aloe vera gel or tomato juice. Let's just quickly start with the first step, that is scrub. So now for the scrub, I'm taking a new bowl and adding pomegranate peels which are blended. Now I'm gonna add some tomato juice so as to remove tan or any sorts of dark patches on a face. If you want the scrub to be more of moisturizing type, you can add rose water or aloe vera gel as well. So now next I'm gonna add pomegranate juice. It has anti-aging properties which will keep your wrinkles and sagging skin at bay. It also has antimicrobial properties which will also help reducing your acne. Mix it well. Now that our scrub is ready, let's get to the next step, that is face mask. Now for the face mask, we'll take another bowl and add some pomegranate juice in it. Next, I'm gonna add some besan or gram flour in it. It has great antimicrobial properties, and on top of that, it gives that natural glow to your skin. Now to add a little bit of hydration, we are gonna add some aloe vera. You can use natural aloe vera. Here I'm using aloe vera gel. So like I said, I'm only using very little of aloe vera gel because besan and juice is gonna give you all the hydration, and why to waste the product. Mix this properly. Our face mask is ready. About the application part, damp your face a little bit and take a very small amount of scrub and gently massage on the areas you get blackheads and whiteheads. Now for the face mask, apply the face mask all over your face and don't forget the neck part. Leave it for at least 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse off with normal water. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.